Hey YouTube, Christopher here back with another video, and we're going to be doing a quick little unboxing on an addition to my products of MagSafe, and that is the Ridge Magnetic Power Bank, and this is in their olive matte color. MagSafe compatible. These are all of the features that the charger has, and I'm just going to do a quick little unboxing, and then I will make another video going into depth on what this offers. So again, this is the MagSafe power bank. Let's go ahead and we'll just slide it out of the packaging. Has this nice little pull tab right here. Just grab it here. Comes in this nice box here. And on each side of the box, they have these little tabs here where you can grab the bottom of it. And then all you have to do is just lift the lid up. Inside, you get this nice introduction here. The Ridge, designed for life. And then once you lift this little paper up, you will see that it's a little booklet. If you want to read all this, you can go ahead and pause it and you can read it. These are all the features. This is a safety sheet, probably letting you know how to charge it and use it. So we'll set that over to the side. Comes with a user guide, which is helpful. And then now the main product. I will say the detail of the packaging is awesome. I don't know if you can tell, but it's suede here, which is really nice. And the box is really nicely made. All right, so let's go ahead and flip it over, hit the bottom, try to get this out of here, nice and snug. All right, so here is the charger. Really nice. The green is actually really nice. It's one of my favorites. And then the magnet has a little silicone fill with the little honeycomb pattern. It would have been nice if this piece here was the same material, but it's a smooth material. Okay. And at the bottom here has the button for the power. And this is really cool. Gives you the percentage and an LDC. Okay. Nice little side grips. And another feature here, it has USB-C and USB connectors, which is really helpful. So if you have your AirPods that don't have the USB-C charging, you can still use this. And another fun fact, this middle part here is actually an Apple Watch charger dock. So let me go ahead and set this right here. I actually have my Apple Watch on today. I will demonstrate. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn it on. Click the button. Okay, and then we'll connect it there. Charging. Look at that. And it's magnetic, so look, it doesn't fall off. So that's really cool. It's a fun feature. All right, and then last, it has a little kickstand here. So you can use it on this form, or you can flip it over and use it in that form. And it really has a nice magnet there. Listen to this. Really strong, really, really strong. So yeah, this is the Ridge power bank. Highly recommend. I have this one, and I also have it in the matte orange. If you want to check it out, they're both on my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. If this is your first time watching my videos, I appreciate the support. Go ahead and subscribe. Help me get to 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And don't forget to turn on the notifications. That way you don't miss another video. Alright. Thanks again for watching. Until the next one. You guys have a great one. Peace.